Years ago, you were lucky if you got a package delivered to your house even once a month, but nowadays things are different and you probably get one of these every single day. And most people open these things up like they're an animal. They just use a set of keys, or maybe they'll grab a screwdriver or a pencil to dig into the box. But in this video, I'm going to show you a brand new tool that'll let you open up anything like a pro. It's cheap, and the only thing you'll wish is that you heard about it sooner. I've used this Irwin box cutter to open up thousands of packages over the years, but I always hated using the tool mainly because of the size. I also don't like the fact that that slide mechanism is a little bit too easy to activate, and you might have that blade come out in your pocket exactly where you don't want it. And then Fiskars released their version of a box cutter. Now this thing looks cool and it works great, but unfortunately it's still too big. You're definitely not going to want to keep it in your pocket. But then Fiskars came out with this, and it's nothing short of a miracle tool. This is their folding box cutter. And I'm well aware there are many other folding cutters on the market, but none of them are even close to this Fiskars, especially for the price. And the real name for this tool is the Fiskars Pro Utility Knife, and it sells for just $13. Most utility knives feel kind of sloppy, things wobble around, but everything in this is rock solid. And that's the key, you can't open or close this knife without pressing that silver button. And that button is so much easier to use than a typical knife where you normally have to press a piece of metal or bend something. This works perfectly every time you use it. They also give you a belt clip that's made entirely of stainless steel, and they also have a hole that you can put something like a keychain or a lanyard through. One of the great benefits of all these utility knives is you can change the blade anytime it gets dull or damaged. But Fiskars came up with a better way to make it the easiest way to change a blade on any knife on the market. You just push that silver button, that black tab slides out, and now you can easily pull the blade out anytime you need to. And here's the best part, Fiskars could have been a jerk of a company and forced you to use their own blades, and most people would have bought this tool having no idea and then be stuck buying those refills for life. But instead they went the better way. You can use the Fiskars blades if you want, or just use regular razor blades that you might already have on hand, or you can buy boxes of 100 for a lot less money. And when you put them side by side, the Fiskars blades are a little bit smaller than regular ones, but they don't cause you any troubles when you're actually using the tool, so use whichever one you prefer. The reason I don't just use a regular knife is these only have a single blade, and I use utility knives to open up boxes, but also to cut up cardboard. I'll often do that on the driveway, and that would ruin one of these blades in no time. The utility knife can last forever. Anytime the blade gets dull or damaged, just put in a new disposable blade and you get a brand new tool ready to use. The other problem is most knives won't lock into their closed positions, so if you put them in a bag and they catch on anything, they could be opened up when you go to reach in. I've had very good luck with other Fiskars tools in the past, but this one is an absolute home run. It's cheap, it's built like a tank, and be sure to leave me a comment if you already own one of these and let me know what you think. And if you decide to get one in the future, be sure to come back and let me know what you think of your new tool. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already for more videos coming up.